Hello everyone. Now today we will start our next lesson, that is the sugar plum tree. Student, in our area or in our garden we see different types of plants and tree like mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, banana tree. Lots of plants or tree we can see near to us. Now you have to see the picture. Can you see this tree or plant near to us? No. What you have to see here? Yes, a tree is full of candy. So where we can see this? When we think about the chocolates, everyone want a lots of chocolate. Same that way, in this poem, the poet think about the sugar plum tree, and this is an imaginary poem. So we will learn the poem, what the poet want to say us. So let's start the poem. First, I will read the poem and then I will explain it. So let's start. This poem was written by Eugene Field. Now you have to put your finger on the line. Lesson number or poem name, The Sugar Plum Tree. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It is a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Now see the children, this is an imaginary poem and the poet asks us, can you heard about a sugar plum tree? How is this tree? This tree was very wonderful, amazing and a famous tree. Renowned means famous. This is a very famous tree. Where this trees blooms, where these trees grow. Blooms means grow. Where these trees grow? On the shore of the Lollipop Sea. Now see how the poet imagined what he saw in his dream. He never saw this way shore. He saw a lollipop shore. Now see the children. Toffees, candies and chocolates means we all love it. So same that way the poet imagined or he seen there was a lollipop sea and on that shore he saw a sugar plum tree. But where is this lollipop tree or lollipop sea? In the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Shut-Eye. Shut-Eye means our eyes can close. When our eyes can close? When we get a sleep. When we are sleeping means the poet saw everything in his dream world. Shut-Eye Town means dream world. Means everything he saw in his dream. He saw a beautiful garden and near the garden there was a lollipop sea and in that seashore there grows a beautiful amazing sugar plum tree. Now see the next stanza. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. Now see the children, what the poet said. This fruit taste is very sweet, very amazing. But who will say this fruit is very tasty? Those who have those who have already eat, that can say the taste of this fruit is very super, very sweet. And what he say? If the good little children, if the small children can eat this fruit, then they will become happy for the next day. It means if the small children want to live happily every day, then before that day they can eat these sugar plum trees, plums, that is the fruits. Understood, students? If you want to live happily next day, the small children or good little children can eat these sweet fruits. So student understood the poem. This is an imaginary poem. Everything poet saw in his dream world, in his shut-eye town. He saw the lollipop sea, the sugar plum tree, everything he saw in his dream. Even he tasted that fruit also in his dream. So you have to revise the video and read the poem.